Welcome to FIARL. In this video, we will show you how to add single products through your panel. Log into your panel, go to products, add new product, add single product. Here, add new product information. Select the drop down. Here you will find various fields that needs to be filled in. Let's go through all the fields one by one. The first one is name. The minimum requirement for this field is 10 characters and maximum is 150. This is the product title which would be reflecting on the website. So try to keep it very clear and easy to understand, and try to include keywords like color or any specific highlight of the product. The second one is category. You can select the category from the drop downs. Select whatever is related to your product. In case if you don't find the categories that is relating to your products, you can get back to us by writing on sellers@fiarl.com, or else you can contact from my seller message center and we will get back to you with the appropriate solution. The third one is vendor price. This is the price that you need to calculate, including all your costs and overheads till our warehouse, as you will be dispatching your products to our warehouse, so all your costs should be included in that. Next comes is full description. Here the minimum word should be 20 and maximum should be 150. Try to describe your product fully with includes the benefits or features, etc. The next comes images. You can drop the images here, select and drop the images here, or you can click on select images and select it from your system. The images should be of a good resolution, less than 1 MB, and if you need more guidelines about images, you can also visit our help center where a complete guideline has been provided. Next comes product SKU number. This is your product code, and again HSN number. Here you need to select the correct HSN number which is relating to your product. You can either search by a code or by the name of the product. And once you select the correct HSN code, click on choose. In stock. This means the product that is available in stock with you. The minimum has to be 5, and last is weight. Here you need to enter the weight of the product in a numeric form. In case the weight of the product is 500 grams, you need to write it as 0.500. Once you fill in all the details, you have to click on next. If you get stuck anywhere or if you need any assistance, you can write to us at sellers@fiarl.com, or you can go to my seller and contact us through message center. Thank you.